In the summer of 2008, I traveled from the United States to Israel, Jordan, and the occupied territories. I was interested in the role artists play in times of conflict. Are we activists, calling for change, or are we escapists, providing a respite from the stresses of daily life? I interviewed 10 artists from various disciplines and backgrounds, trying to explore and understand the lives they lead and the choices they make in politics, in religion, and with their art. Each person has a distinct voice that sheds light on what it means to be an artist living in a land of conflict.
Creating art that's political is really tricky. It's really tricky to just be political for political's sake.
If anyone wants to see what Israeli art is, they automatically think, okay, we want to see something about conflict, about war. Most of it isn't.
Let's pick a date, 1948, Palestine's the place, 800,000 people displaced.
Do you think that there is a solution to the conflict in Israel, in the occupied territories?
What a question.
There will be peace, hopefully, if Israel can go about stop building settlements.
Everyone thinks like they're being governed by where they don't want to just go, okay, well, how can we get along?